My reaction when I heard about the ASURE program, it was really all new to me because I just moved back from Japan to here. This would literally be my first taste of any kind of college courses. So hearing that they had some kind of research experience that I could do, even from someone who's never had a research experience, it was really eye-opening. It felt like I was being welcomed, and I was like, oh, there's going to be a lot of more opportunities like this I can have at IU. ASURE makes sure that every course, every class is handled with the utmost care, the highest quality of education and support. Having that active experience of research is really pivotal for a lot of students. I'd say it's really important to give back to the ASURE program just because I just know now it's getting really difficult for a lot of labs to get proper funding for their research. It's really important in these times for us to support each other and to really grow that community, to show that this research really is important, that we're doing something that's going to help the community, help society. My name is Mira Sparks, and I hope you will support experiential learning this IU Day.